Greetings and welcome to the WXLine factory here in sunny Tucson, Arizona. Today we're going to be providing a basic overview of the 3-strobe stack light, which is one of the many available configuration options for two-way communication wave siren stations. In order to properly demonstrate how the stack lights perform in a real storm scenario, we're going to be using some of our latest equipment, including the StrikeGuard sensor simulator. This will duplicate the messages that are sent from the sensor on the roof to the equipment inside the office environment, such as the Lightning data receiver and wave interface you see here. We are going to showcase two different stack light options featuring different color caution strobes. So let's go ahead and send the system a caution strike. This would be lightning detected inside of 32 kilometers or 20 miles for our US folks. You'll see the caution condition is being displayed on both the Lightning data receiver screen as well as the wave interface screen, and the strobe lights on both stack lights are flashing that caution indicator. As with all of our alerting strobes, the caution strobes will continue to flash until the countdown timer expires or until there's lightning detected at a closer proximity, such as inside of the 10-mile or 16-kilometer radius, which would then indicate a warning condition. So let's go ahead and duplicate that here. We'll see now that the caution strobes have stopped flashing, and instead that central orange strobe light on both stack lights is flashing, indicating that we're in the warning condition. Again, the strobes will continue to flash until the countdown timer expires or until the system receives a strike at a closer proximity inside of that 5-mile or 8-kilometer radius. We will now go ahead and simulate the system receiving an alarm strike from the StrikeGuard sensor. As you can see, once the system detects an alarm strike, it will go into an alarm mode, at which time the Lightning data receiver itself will sound its own alarm unless you have that disabled in your settings. The wave interface will be indicating the alarm condition, and the strobes on the siren stations will be flashing the red alarm indicator. At this time, you will also have the alarm tone sound on the horns on each station. This will again last for the full duration of the lightning alarm, which I'm going to go ahead and shorten here for the video so that we can see how the system steps down out of each of those alarm conditions at the expiration of a storm. Keep in mind, right now we just saw a 60-second countdown timer for the warning alarm. In a real storm scenario, typically as a storm is leaving proximity closer to you, you'll continue to see strikes inside the warning and caution range. So when you step down from one range to the next, that countdown timer could be longer than 60 seconds. 60 seconds is just a default minimum in the system to give it time to properly go through all of these various stages until it ultimately determines that there is no lightning activity at all and then returns back to the no lightning condition, which we will see here at the expiration of the caution countdown timer. So once we return to a no lightning detected state, the strobe lights will no longer be flashing at all. You'll then see no lightning detected status indicated on the Lightning data receiver. Currently, this one's actually not happy because we never sent it a pass test, so we'll go ahead and do that now to clear out all the messages. You'll see everything go green there, and then the system goes into that no lightning detected mode. Typically, that's what you would see coming out of an alarm. One important thing to note, with the audible alerts from your siren stations, you will receive the all clear tone or the exiting alarm tone from the siren stations upon the exit of the countdown timer in the alarm condition. It is not going to hold out until you have no lightning detected at all. That audible trigger is directly tied to the alarm condition, both for activation of the alarm tone as well as activation of the alarm exit tone. And again, keep in mind, this was just an example of two different light stack configuration options, just featuring the two different caution colors. You can get any of those strobes in a variety of different color options or different stack configurations. If, for example, you would like to have a green strobe light indicating an all clear condition, or if, say, you want to have a 4-strobe stack light that is also available. Please call us directly or check out wxline.com for all of our available options. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.